This is an unboxing video for a Sena 10C Pro. Just ordered it on the weekend from Fort 9. So from Montreal, Quebec to Halifax, Nova Scotia, 3 days shipping. That's not too bad, I'm okay with that. Let's see what we have inside, if we got everything that was supposed to come with this thing. So everything looked packed pretty good. "10C Pro, motorcycle Bluetooth camera and communication system." And on the back, Bluetooth version 4.1, unibody design, 1440p QHD video, 125 degrees wide view, field of view, lens rotation up to 30 degrees, Bluetooth intercom up to 1.6 kilometers, 4-way intercom, smart audio mix, voice prompt, water resistant for use in inclement weather, advanced noise control, music sharing, can be used while charging on road trips, built-in FM radio tuner with a station scan and save function, smartphone app for iPhone and Android, firmware upgradable. So a couple of speakers, status LED, lens, attachable boom microphone, micro SD card slot, wired microphone, camera button, jog dial, external antenna, phone button, DC power, charging, and firmware upgrade port. Okay, so let's see if we can get the plastic off of this thing. So this is my first Sena product. Watched numerous reviews. Hopefully it's going to work for me. What I'm hoping to do is to use it to video record some of the rides around Nova Scotia that I like to take. It's a pretty scenic province, so hopefully I'll be able to upload some videos for everybody to look at. So yeah, this thing just slides out. 10C Pro. And there's my first look at the unit. So it's pretty much as I was expecting size-wise from what I've seen in the videos. So we'll put that on the side. Let's see what else is in the box here. And from what I've seen, this is where all the rest of the goodies are, the manuals. I usually read manuals start to front, so maybe later tonight. The charging adapter for a car, or some bikes have those kind of ports. There's the USB charger, micro USB. That's it for the box. So let's see what we have in there. I know from looking at the other videos, so these are the little foam pads to go over the speakers and some stick-ons. This is the wired microphone you can stick on. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. Haven't really sized up my helmet to see which one will fit better. So a couple of speakers. There's the screw-on mount. I'll probably use that one if I can get it to work. I have a full face helmet, so If not, I'll have to go with this mount, which is the stick-on version. Either way, it'll be okay. And there's some extra spacers to position the microphone, or actually position the speakers closer to your ears. And there's the boom microphone little wind protectors, and I do believe that is the stick-on ones there for the wired mic. And this is the boom microphone. Again, I don't think I'll use this one. I think I'll use the stick-on one if I can. So that's it for the contents. Very well packed. Like I said, this is my first experience with the Sena. So what I'm going to do now is just check the software, see if it's fully updated, or if I need to do an update. And from there, I'm going to take a preliminary look to see which way I'm going to mount it on my helmet. And once I've figured out which way I'm going to mount the thing, I will try and do another video of actually mounting the speakers and the microphone and the camera unit itself. So, thanks everybody, and hopefully once I get this thing up and running, I'll be able to do a few videos around Nova Scotia. It's a great province for motorcycling. So yeah, maybe I'd like to be able to do some like road reviews too, because some of the roads are really rough, and I think it'd be kind of nice to anyone visiting the province, you know, if they knew beforehand, you know, what the roads were like condition wise, then they can decide whether they want to take that route or maybe take an alternate one. Anyway, thanks everyone for watching, and we'll catch you later. Bye for now.